Alright, welcome to episode number 2, season 2 of Moto Yap in Hyderabad. Today we're going to something special. I'll explain more on the drive, but first, we bought this bag, saddle bag for the bike. So I'm gonna go ahead and fix this first. Alright, we fixed it kinda. So it was only like a tying mechanism, so I tried to tie it as far, as tightly as I could. It's not gonna go anywhere, but it's not like stuck to the bike either. And we also had to change locations because I was sweating profusely. So that's why we came more towards the shade, but I'm still sweating so much. It's so hot here in Hyderabad. But anyway, we're gonna start. We're gonna go about an hour drive from here on the bike in the sun. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Have my tripod in there already. Probably keep a few other things like a water bottle just to test it out. But let's go. Alright, so where we are going right now, we're going to a place called Jubilee Hills. That's the area, and over there's a cafe called, I believe, Silver Specialty Coffee. There is an event run by one of my friends, Ganesh. He is running something called Renaissance. Yeah, and Renaissance is kind of like a meetup where a lot of people from Hyderabad are coming to discuss different topics, like about their startups or anything in general. A good place to network for sure. And it's my first time going there, so I don't really have a clear idea on how this works exactly. So we're gonna go experiment today. It happens every other Sunday. Today it's something different. Today we're doing something called vibe painting. Oh, this is a pretty cool hotel. This is Taj Vivanta. Really nice. I think it's like a 3 or a 4-star hotel. Pretty cool. And the main reason I'm calling it cooler is because I acted in that hotel for a stage play. So if any of you guys know what Merchant of Venice is, it's a play / book by Shakespeare, and as part of our 10th grade syllabus we had Merchant of Venice, and my school wanted to do a play, like a certain section of it. So obviously, if you guys don't know what Merchant of Venice is or don't really remember the story, it's a pretty fun story. It's pretty good. There's a movie, I think, on YouTube or somewhere that you can watch, which is like an hour or two long. It's pretty interesting. There is a section called the casket section. It's not as dead, literally, as it sounds. It's kind of like this marriage proposal kind of thing where the main female interest of the movie is picking a bunch of caskets, and based on the casket she gets to select her suitor / husband, and she has, it's a pretty fun story. Anyway, in that section, obviously there is the main character, the main love interest of the play, and his name is Bassanio. Yeah, it's an Italian name, if I'm not wrong. I don't know. But yeah, I played that character. I played the main lead. In the male lead, not main, but male lead. The female was the main lead of that section. Anyway, but yeah, so we did that in school. It was pretty fun. I feel like I did a good job. All of my teachers loved it. They loved it so much that they made us redo the whole thing at that restaurant for some kind of convention or something that was happening there. Alright, we're on the side of Jubilee Hills. We're another 6.7 kilometers away from where we need to get to. Another 15 minutes. Oh my god, a Lambo. And Mustang. No, the Jaguar, sorry, but a Lambo. Damn. Where parking? Oh, and we made it. Alright, I'm gonna go in, see what's the scene, and then I'll start recording in a bit. So see ya.
Guys, so hi, welcome to the 21st Renaissance Meetup. This is our first time that we're doing something called as vibe painting.
Alright, so we're gonna start painting now. So I have with me.
Ani, can you like mokku this?
Wait, what is that though?
Leonardo da Vinci is a Hindu god.
God, bro. Gina, do you have any words?
I honestly, from the bottom of my heart, wish that Anirudh reaches 100k subscribers. That's it. Let's go.
I want to reach 1 million likes. So please,
Any thoughts, Ronnie? What are you gonna paint today?
If you guys have been a loyal follower or subscriber of Ani, you realize I'm wearing the same T-shirt as the last video.
Give us your thoughts, Puppy. Give us your thoughts.
I don't have any thoughts.
Yours, right? Show yours.
It's fine, guys. It didn't turn out to be so bad.
So what are we doing?
So we are going to give your painting to Isaac, who's your local Himalayan Zen residing at the Renaissance. Let's see what blessings you will get. Oh damn, you got a 7 by 10, bro.
Go.
Same score as mine.
What does it say?
Don't shy from the boldness of your spirit, for the scattered flowers show a soul blossoming even in unexpected soil. Let that vibrant green be your guide, bringing fresh air to the grave. Damn. Oh damn.
Alright, and we're leaving the place right now. Pretty fun evening. Definitely tiring as well. Because we were sitting there painting for I don't know how long. More than 2 hours. So I hope you saw the painting. I guess I could give a little bit more context on what I was actually trying to do once I passed through this traffic. What is this traffic, bro? Alright, I think we should be out of... Alright, I think we're out of the traffic for now. Oh yeah, so talking about my painting, if you guys kind of saw, it was the city lights with a person sitting on a bench is what I tried. So basically, when Ganesh was explaining what we're doing today, he said, try to imagine yourself in a situation that, you know, you're not in right now, some kind of like a life you want to live type of thing. And the idea that popped into my head was to sit in a busy street in Tokyo and get work done, basically editing or any kind of work on my laptop. So I painted the city skyline, and then I painted myself sitting on a bench, and I painted a little cherry blossom. I painted the night sky, I mean, I tried my best. It's all wonky. There were so many other better paintings and a few worse ones, I guess. I guess I can say that. But yeah, I was pretty satisfied with how mine looked. It looked pretty bland until I put in like all those windows and all of that. That I feel like really gave it some, I guess, character for sure. But yeah, I'm super happy with my painting. Super happy with the whole session. Definitely coming back to the next one. Met amazing people. Spent a lot of good time with my friends as well, so definitely a fun time. So if you guys are in Hyderabad, you can go follow the page Renaissance. I'll put it in the description. I believe there's an Instagram page, so you can just try one of these sessions out. It'll be fun. Also, these new Mahindra cars, man, I've seen them around so much. They look so cool as well. And look at, I'm not sure if it's visible, but there's a huge screen inside. I don't know how helpful that is, but there is a huge screen inside those cars. Oh, I said this at the start as well, but yeah, this was Renaissance. It's kind of like a community meetup. So if you guys do want to come for the next one, I'll put a link in the description for the Instagram page. You can just check what's happening that week, register for it, and pull up. And if you're in Hyderabad, or if you want to visit to Hyderabad just for this, I don't mind. Come join us and everyone there. Everyone's really cool. Everyone's chilling with what they want to do, and very interesting conversations also. So yeah, definitely drop by. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog as well at the Renaissance. Thank you for watching. The saddle bag I bought was really helpful, so I'm glad I bought that. But yeah, thank you for watching and see you in the next one.